Hello everyone, I am Viresh Hatti. Today we will be discussing about simulation of relaxation oscillator. So here you can see capture light addition. Yes, double click on this capture light addition icon. We use capture light addition software. Double click on this and so this window will open. Capture OrCAD capture light addition. Go to file, new, project, and here give the name. This is the new project window. Yes, and project name is what? Relaxation. Click on OK. Okay, and now the project window will open. Here now let us see the circuit. Okay, this is the circuit. So here we have 741 op amp, UA 741 op amp, and we have three resistors here. Okay, there are two 10 kilo ohm resistors and one 5 kilo ohm resistors, and here we have a capacitor value 0.1 microfarad. Okay, so in order to insert micro, we use U. Okay, and we have two VDC power, that is reference power supply, VC, that is VCCs. 7th pin should be connected to plus 12 volt and 4th pin to minus 12 volt. Okay, so next let us make the connection. So here we have we have four icons here. First icon is select. Now just place the cursor on this. You can see it is select, first icon, and second icon is place part. Third icon is place wire. Fourth one is place net alias. So we'll be using only four icons. Okay. So now here we have one more ground. Don't use this ground because we have seen many students using this place ground icon. Please don't use this ground. If you use this, you won't get output. Okay, so make sure to use place net alias. Okay, that is to place ground. Okay, next let us make the connection. So first here we have 741 op amp. Okay, so name for this is UA74. Now go to click on second icon, that is place part. Click on this icon and here type UA741. Okay, now you can see the preview of this 741 op amp. Okay, so click on OK. Click on OK. So place this. You can place it here, and you can place as many as UA741 as you wish, but we require only one. So right click, end mode. Just right click and end mode. Okay, so this is the icon. Here we have 3, 2, 7, 4, 6 pin, 5th pin and first pin are not connected. 5th and first pin, no connection for 5th and first pin. Okay, so now let us see the circuit. So here you can see second pin. So here second pin is facing toward upward, facing in the upward direction, and it is 3 is in downward direction. So now let us swap these two, 3 and 2. So I want 2 to be up and 3 to be downward direction, right? So let us, how to change that? Right, select this icon, right click and mirror vertically. Select this one, and now you can see 2 is upward and 3 is downward. Okay, and then after this, first let us place the resistors. How many resistors are required? 3 resistors are required. So place select, click on select second icon, that is place part icon. Okay, select, click on this and then type R, click OK button. And how many resistors are required? We require 3 resistors. So I'll place 1 resistor here, and to rotate the resistor, type press R. You can press R. You can press R in order to rotate the resistor. So I'll place 1 resistor here. Yes, and 1 more resistor at the top. Rotate. Press R to rotate and place it here. And right click, end mode. Done. And then after this, let us place capacitor. Value is later we will give the value. First place the capacitor. So click on second icon, that is place part, and here capacitor C. Click on OK and press R to rotate the capacitor. Place it here and you can press escape also, or right click end mode, one and the same. You can press escape button. Okay, so next after this we need to place VDC. Here you can see the VDCs, right? 12 volt, and here it is 12 volt. So plus 7th pin to plus 12 volt and 4th pin to minus 12 volt. You can see it's connected to plus 12 and 4th pin to minus 12 volt. So its name is VDC, that is V reference. So just type VDC, click on OK, and we require two VDCs. One VDC is placed here and one here, right? And then press escape button. Next after this let me zoom out. Let me zoom out first. Okay, zoom. Okay, okay, so let me play what is that, make connection. Now let me make connection for this. Place, now select click on third icon, that is place wire. Place wire, and first here you can see this resistor, two resistors, 10 kilo ohm resistor, one end of 10 kilo ohm resistor is connected to one end of 10 kilo ohm resistor. So let us make connection for that. Select place wire, and connect these two, and junction of these two resistors are connected to third pin, right? So again place wire, third icon, and third pin to junction of two resistors. And second pin is connected, first let me connect this resistor, one end of resistor, that is 5 kilo ohm resistor, to capacitor. So again place wire, and here one end of capacitor, and the other end of resistor is connected to 6 pin. The other end of 5 kilo ohm resistor is connected to 6 pin. So place wire, third icon, and then okay, let me first I'll just drag this, select this, and you can drag this. Okay, because we have a V reference here, VDC. So click on third icon, place wire, and connect other end of resistor, 5 kilo ohm resistor, to 6 pin. Yes, and other end of 10 kilo ohm resistor, the other end of 10 kilo ohm resistor is connected to again 6 pin. Later we will give the values. Select this icon, place wire icon, third option, and place wire. Okay, now after this here extend this capacitor, other end of capacitor you have to extend, because you need to place ground here, right? Here it is ground is 0 and ground is 0. So we need to extend this, and one more connection we have here, this so place wire, click on place wire, and make sure to connect these two. Okay, small connection, and here click and right click end wire, and then again connect these two, extend this wire, extend, click twice, right click end wire, again extend this capacitor line. Okay, and right click end wire, again extend this other end of resistor, right click end wire. So now let us place the ground. So here you can see place net alias. This is the fourth icon, place net alias. So here type 0. 0 means what? It is ground. Okay, type 0, click on OK. So you cannot place ground like this. You cannot place it like this. You have to place it at the top. Okay, top of the wire. Then you can place the ground. So now 0 is inserted there. Similarly, we have one more ground here. You can see one ground is 0 is here, and here 1 0 is here, like that. Let us place 4 grounds. One is placed here, and again I'll take place net alias, fourth option, and click on type 0 and click on OK, and place one more ground here, and one ground here, and one ground here. So total 4 grounds, and press escape. Done. So now let us give the values for this. Okay, one more wire we had to place. Second pin is connected to junction of capacitor and resistor, right? And let us give the values for this. Now select this one, select icon, click on select icon, and now let us change the value of this capacitor. 0.1 microfarad. 0.1 micro means U. Type U. Okay, type U. Okay, and click on OK, and here the value of this resistor is 5 kilo ohm, right? Here you can see 5 kilo ohm resistor, 5 kilo ohm resistor, right? So double click on this, and type 5K, and click on OK. and here the value of these two resistors are 10k 10k, right? R1 and R2, 10k 10k. So double click on this 1k and type 10k, okay, and then R2, double click on R2, 10k and click on OK. So now the connection part is done. Now let us give the value for V reference, VDC, that is here it is 0 VDC 0 VDC, right? Double click on this 0 VDC and it is just type 12. Okay, you don't have to give plus 12 and minus 12, just type 12 here, that's it. Okay, and here so obviously the polarity will this will tell the polarity. This is 4th pin is connected to minus, right? So it is minus 12 volt, and 7th pin is connected to plus, positive end of the VDC, that is why it is plus 12 volt, 7 pin to plus 12 volt. So now the connection part is done, and here now let us select this one, simulation profile. So, click on this new simulation profile, new simulation profile, and then give some this is the new simulation profile window, and give some value REL. You can give any value, any name here, and click on create button, and run to time is 10 millisecond, 10 m. You don't have to give second because second is by default it's a second, unit is second only, and maximum step size is it should be 0.1 millisecond. Okay, 0.01 millisecond, 0.01 millisecond. So run to time is 10 milliseconds, maximum step size is 0.01 millisecond. Click on OK button. So now let us place the ground. Here you can see place this is voltage or level marker icon, voltage or level marker. So this is what voltage or level marker is what, probe. Okay, voltage or level marker is probe, and so here you can see the diagram. Let me show you the diagram. This is one probe and this is one probe, right? Two probes are inserted. So let me insert these two probes. Place this one here and one here, and press escape. Okay, so now two probes are inserted, and now save. Click on save icon. Okay, save this project, and now let us run the. So you can edit the simulation settings here. Just click on edit simulation settings. You can even change the value. Okay, previously I have given 10 millisecond and step size 0.01 millisecond. Now it is 20 millisecond and step size is 0.1 millisecond. If you don't get output for that, then you can use this one. Click on OK. Click on OK, and then click on run. Okay, now this is the output. Okay, now we have two outputs here. One is a green color. This is what green color. It's a capacitor output, and red is what it is, square waveform. Okay, now we have designed relaxation oscillator of frequency 1 kilohertz. We designed it for 1 kilohertz, right? So 1 kilohertz means what? Time is equal to T is equal to 1 divided by F. That is T is equal to 1 by 1 kilohertz. That is 1 millisecond. So now it is so 1 millisecond means what? One cycle means one cycle of square waveform is 1 millisecond. Now it is if you see that this one one cycle, it is 1 millisecond. This complete one cycle is what? 1 millisecond. So now here you can see 12 millisecond and 14 millisecond. So two boxes is what? 1 millisecond. Now it is covering two boxes. So this is what? 1 kilohertz frequency. So this is the output waveform. Thank you so much.